Welcome back to AMME means Make Math Easy. Today I am going to take limit of exponential functions. Let's start the first question. Question is that limit of function 25 raised to x minus 2 into 5 raised to x plus 1 upon x sin x as x tends to 0. Here is given x raised to of any constant number. Therefore, this questions change into exponent form of the formula, and after that it will be solved. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, 25x raised to x, it will be 5 into 2x minus 2 into 5 raised to x plus 1 and x sin x. This change into limit x tends to 0, 5 raised to x minus 1 whole square by x sin x, 5 raised to x minus 1 whole square of this. Therefore, there will be 25 raised to x minus 2 5 raised to x plus 1. If denominator and numerator divided by x square, therefore we get limit x tends to 0, 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x square, and there will be square upon x sin x by x square. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, there will be both square form. There will be 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x and whole square by once x cancel, therefore sin x by x. Therefore, we take limit of both functions separately. Therefore, limit of this will be log 5 and there will be square by sin x by x. Limit x tends to 0, there will be 1. Therefore, limit of this will be log 5 square. Here apply the formula. We know that limit x tends to 0, a raised to x minus 1 by x is equal to log of a. This formula apply here. Therefore, we get log 5 and it is given square. Therefore, it will be square. Therefore, it is your answer. After that, we take next question. Limit of e raised to x. Limit of e raised to x plus e raised to minus x minus 2 upon x tan x as x tends to 0. Here is given e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. E raised to minus x change into e raised to plus x. Therefore, if multiply by both numerator and denominator e raised to x, we get limit x tends to 0, e raised to x plus e raised to minus x minus 2 and multiply by both numerator and denominator e raised to x tan x into e raised to x. This multiply by here, therefore will be limit x tends to 0, e raised to 2x. This and this multiply by, it will be e raised to 0 and there will be minus 2 e raised to x. Therefore, it will be x tan x into e raised to x. After that, e raised to 0 will be 1. Therefore, we write as limit x tends to 0, e raised to 2x minus 2 e raised to x plus 1. This change into this and there will be x tan x e raised to x. Therefore, this will be e raised to x minus 1 whole square by x tan x into e raised to x. If both numerator and denominator divided by plus x square, there will be limit x tends to 0 and e raised to x minus 1 by x of whole square, and there will be x square, here is x, cancel, there will be tan x by x into e raised to x. If find the limit of this and apply the formula, this limit x tends to 0 a raised to x minus 1 by x is equal to log a. Therefore, we can write as here log e square, and there will be limit of tan x by x will be 1 by 1, and limit of e raised to x, it will be e raised to 0. Therefore, limit of this will be log e square by e raised to 0 1 by 1. Therefore, log of e square, the value of log is 1, it will be 1. Therefore, 1 is the limit of this functions. The today's topic finish. If you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching.